Meow. Meow. So this lovely little Siamese kitty, Siamese cross, I guess. You can definitely see the Siamese in this kitty. I'm just trying to really focus on keeping that nice swoop throughout this drawing. I just love the way the cat swoops down into the back legs. There they are, coming right across here. Just make sure all my lines are connecting well. And I'm looking at the ears as one entity to make sure they do look like they go together. Start darkening up some of the lines that I like. And allow the other ones to just fade into background tone. That's kind of a tucked under paw there. Just keeping it simple. Less is more. There we go. Just a hint of toes, toe lines, and then we'll get some lines in here to guide me where I want to put the eyes. Just figure that out first. Nice curve. Notice I'm tightening up a little here, because I want the eyes to look convincing. The eyes are pretty important. The eyes gotta look right. Just a suggestion of pupils. And there's some tabby marks even on this Siamese cross. There usually are. Just a suggestion of hair in the ears there. Just really try to keep that sketchy look. Yeah, didn't really like what I did there. Too many lines. I want to keep a bit of that Siamese look though, so we'll kind of Siamese this kitty up. Just a hint, because my drawings really are about the lines. I love the line, and I just want to give a hint of kitty being Siamese, but I really still want my lines to really show above all. The expressions that lines can give are amazing. Just play with them. Allow your own style to evolve at its own speed. Just be who you are. And just a hint of making those ears a little darker for the Siamese look. Thank you so much for watching. Drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat. And we'll see you next time.